You can see what I mean about the pad coming apart. By the way, I put it on the highest speed because it didn't seem to be cutting at the lower speed. On this tool, it's 6 is the highest speed, and that's when the pad comes apart. I don't know how many RPMs that is. Maybe it says on here. It's a variable speed. No, it doesn't really say. So keep in mind, when you're doing an edge like this, you got to go easy because you're actually really applying a lot of pressure to this edge here. So do not press down on the tool much. Let the tool's own weight just do the work. Just guide it. All right, let's wipe it off and see what it looks like after the first pass. Wow. Sorry, got a little out of frame there. Wow, it's gone. Huh. Holy cow. That worked really well. All right, there I can just barely see it. Barely see it, and I am going to call it good because I don't want to wear through the paint and have, primer showing through here or anything. I'm going to go back to this one over here and hit that a little more because it's flat, and I want to get it as good as this one. This one I'm going to leave it alone and just polish it. Wax it.